Vlogmas day 7. I am walking Hobbs. I'm out and about and at the beginning of the day, which I will now fast forward to, I have sewing to do for the new craft house party, and then I'm off to the party, so you'll get to see lots of sewing folk today. It should be a really nice merry one, and I hope everyone is having a lovely Vlogmas. Alright, enjoy the day! Morning! So I'm just editing the vlog. Hobbs is having a little sleep. Tigger went really early this morning because Stephen has to work on a Saturday, which sucks. But only a half day. He's doing the Christmas concert. And there is my dress in bits and it needs to be sewn together. If you've sewn a kilo, you'll know it's quite a quick make, but still, Gabby, get on with it. So I'm going to quickly finish editing my vlog and then I can sew up my dress for tonight. I've set myself up quite a nice little sewing area now, which is good because my machine was already in the house, but it's working. I think it's totally dried out. I'm so pleased. Oh my god, what a relief. So now I'm going to start sewing my dress. I think I'm going to do it all on the machine. I know that it's stretch, but I've got a stretch needle and to be honest, like, it might be a lazy thing, but my overlocker is in the summer house and I just think if I can just sit here and finish my dress on the sewing machine, that would be wonderful. So yes, Kilo, let's begin!
I love it so much. And there's a pianist right there playing really gorgeous piano music. He just played a Chopin piece a second ago, and people pay to lay under. You can't really see it, but people lay under the piano and listen to it like while he plays, and you can like. Harry Potter sock advent calendar. It's only got 12, so I'm gonna open.
Guys, she's so gonna be a seamstress. She has kicked the whole way through me sewing this. I literally bump, bump, bump. I don't know if you can see. I don't think you can. But yeah, the whole way through me sewing as if to be like, I want to do that. Bless her. Okay guys, my dress is basically finished. I mean, when I say finished, I mean it's not hemmed. But that's finished for me. The neckline's done, so that's a good start. Yeah, I'm not going to do the sleeves or the hems, it's fine. But I do want to put some bling on it, because the whole theme for the party is all that glitters. So, I'm thinking, I mean, the thing that I've noticed is because my boobage is dramatically larger than it was, it is stretching quite a bit at the front as well, so if I could find something big to kind of like cover up the front, it might kind of make it look a bit better. So I've got so many options. Just been to the summer house to go and look for stuff. Like, obviously that would be incredible and it would really set it off and just be amazing, but it's maybe too small and you can't really, it's not covering up very much. This is pretty awesome. So that's another thing that just might detach, might just detract the eye, so that could be good. I've got bits of this and I've got some more stuff like that as well. Quite bridal, but I think on green it's kind of cool. And I could like have a nice thing where it overlaps the neckline a bit as well. Yeah, I like that actually. It's very Victorian, very Victorian. I've got these, talking about Victorian, that actual lace collar pieces that I could attach, and I'm trying to work out whether to go cream or black, but that could be quite cool. And then I've got like a little collar on it, which would be really cute. I don't know whether it'll detract from breasts. Chesty breasts. That could just go a bit more gothic. It's not really bling though, is it? And then this, I just brought this out because I thought if I cut out just a few bits and just appliqued them on, that could be really beautiful. That's going down a whole different route. No, I'll leave that. I've also got my lace box with me because I've got more bits and pieces in here, but I think they're all... There's this. In fact, now I'm pulling this out, this could be amazing because it's like some sculptural piece of lace. That could be beautiful. I mean, it's very gothic to go black, but why not, really? And then, yeah, back to the kind of more bridal bling. Oh, I wish I could put this up right now and you can tell me what to do. That looks like it's ready for a collar. Oh, wait 1 second. Wait. This might be the answer. Trying to do things one-handed is really quite hard. What do we think about this, guys? So it's just a really nice... That's it. I think that's it. Yes. I think that's it. That looks amazing. Okay, I'm going to attach that quickly and then it will be done. Alright, I'm here for the party. It's raining so horribly, but I think I have an umbrella. I'm just going to search my car. I'm pretty sure I've got an umbrella here. I am in my kilo. I did the whole applique lace thing, but it really didn't look very good, and yeah, I took it all off again. But I've got my sewing for 2 badge on instead, so yeah, hopefully we'll see lots of lovely sewers and I'll remember to film lots, because that's my problem, is that I go away and I'm like, oh, I forgot to film. I'm quite liking the dappled effect across my face. It's like that filter. Anyway, yeah, so let's go see some lovely sewing people.
Happy Vlogmas!
Hi,
We're both sewing for 2! Happy Vlogmas!
Woo!
I collect patterns of wren dress and I make my hat. I altered the sleeve to do a fluted sleeve. It's in silk chiffon, which I mounted on some sort of synthetic faux silk, I think that's what it is. And then I designed the embroidery on here, and I did it on net with some dissolvable paper on top, and it worked, which was very exciting. Last time I did it,
The fabric is from Shopping Go Shop Road. I can't remember which one because I went to so many. And it turned out after 5 beads, I was like breaking 5 beads, but it's alright. And then this fabric is from Spain, shop in Spain. So,
is it a 2-piece or one?
it's amazing.
Oh, it's amazing.
It's like mix and
Look
match
at the splits.
Yeah.
Twirl again. Yes.
And then the winner, we decided this dress just because of like the effort and time gone into it, and we also thought it'd be a dress that she would wear like forever, for years, which is something important when you're making your own clothes as well, was Lisa and her embroidered.
I've broken down. What is this week doing? Last 2 weeks, what? Why? Ah! Okay, yeah, flat tire. It was really sweet because Harriet from Sew Me Sunshine was outside the party with me and waiting for her her Uber to pick her up, and she was like, Gabby, I think you've got a flat. And I was like, no. She was like, no, you really have. And I was like, oh my god. I mean, today I just got back from the garage from doing the MOT. It's like we've spent 250 quid on the car and have got a flat. I don't know. Anyway, I am gonna laugh because it's just, you gotta laugh or you'll cry. But the party was absolutely brilliant. It was so lovely. I mean, like all of my dear sewing friends were there. It was so lovely to see them all, and yeah, I feel really warm and fuzzy after that. Actually, it was really lovely, because I've been a bit of a hermit since, yeah, months and months now. I haven't seen any of them. I haven't gone to any of the meetups. I just haven't felt well enough, and they've always fallen on days where I feel really bad. So yeah, so it was really lovely to reconnect with everyone, and oh, I love them all so much. What a gorgeous, wonderful group of people. And I'm so happy that Lisa won the competition. I mean, I know I was one of the judges, so I had something to do with that, but we all unanimously wanted her to win because she was amazing. I loved her dress, and yeah, she'll be very happy with her new faff. Oh, it's so good. Anyway, yeah, great night. So now Stephen, the legend, I mean, he is just my hero, isn't he? Is on his way in the van to come and meet me and change over the tyres so that we can at least get home. And then it's back off to the garage, I guess, on Monday. Oh, my cough's still so bad. But anyway, all is good. Okay, see you in a bit. I'll be back for the doggy calendar, don't you worry. Hobbles and I are in the van, and look at Hero Stephen. I mean, seriously, this guy's just, he's like my guardian angel. He's in his high vis and he's fixing the car. Oh, I love him so much. Hobbs, what would we do without him? Here he is.
Are you filming me?
No. What noise was that? It's day 8 of Doggy the calendar. God, stop as he was saying we got. What's that? What's this? Okay, we're gonna do a proper shake. And okay, done. Yay! Well done.
Nom. Right, while he's eating his, you should check yours.
Yay! Number 8. Okay, what have I got? Oh. Late, I admit, but still day 8. Just 6 minutes. We already must celebrate. That what I said. I read that really well.
Yeah, you read that very odd.
Still day 8. We already must celebrate. The silver lining on every cloud, the gifts with which we are endowed. And so your gift today is found above a bird which makes no sound. Ooh, there are some birds in the corridor. Methinks that's where they might be. Is it maybe? Shall we go see, Hobbles? Is that the right way to get? Okay, we are saying very little. A bird that makes no sound. Are there like certain types of birds that make no sound? I mean, you've got loads of birds in the corridor. Parrots make loads of sounds.
This is what I really like about Gabby, is that she totally overthinks every single clue.
Oh, okay.
It's like proper challenge Annika with Gabby.
So am I overthinking it?
No, keep going in, Janet Jones.
Well, I mean, like crows, do they make sound? Yeah, they do, yeah. Oh, I'm still overthinking it. Oh, I don't know, it's really hard. Well, I guess none of them make any sound because they're all not real or dead.
Well, that's very cheerful.
So, I feel like they're above these birds, but there isn't really an above, it's just the ceiling. Am I like slightly warm? Cause it's
Yeah,
very late.
you're slightly warm. You're just not really looking.
Okay, alright.
So there are a few birds up there.
Yeah.
I mean, it's kind of cruel because there's lots of birds.
Birds everywhere, exactly.
Don't worry, I've made it really obvious.
Oh, you have? Okay, right, so that's just me being slow then. Did I go the other side? Or is
Up to you. This is part of it being a treasure hunt, I guess.
Because you've got more birds down here, and you've got birds like here, and more birds here. Oh no. Oh, well, this could carry on very late. It's got to still be day 8.
You've only...
They're birds. Owls.
Good. It's a good job we live in an aviary.
More owls there. He's a bird. Oh, I don't know, darling. I'm finding this really hard.
Okay, well you are
Can you
looking.
give me a clue?
Yes, you're definitely on the right track. You're just not looking everywhere.
So maybe I've already seen it and I haven't seen it, if you get what I mean. Is that a possibility? Have I already walked past it?
No.
Ah. Why do we have more birds? Wow, it's a big bird in there. I didn't know he was in there. He's awesome, check him out. I like him.
Look at him.
He's so cool. He's like, I've never seen an elephant fly. He's like that kind of a bird, which I guess
Crow.
is a crow. I know that, but he looks like the character. It's in the corridor though. Can we just sort that bit out? Is it? No, you gotta give me a little bit more help. Is it in the corridor?
I'm not telling you.
Why? You can tell I'm struggling. Oh, he nodded. Okay, yes. Oh, there's a bird. He's a bird. He's got a present above him. Hello, bird. You say he makes no sound, but I've heard him shout away. He's a noisy bird. Ooh. I think I know what this is. I have an inkling. It's gonna rip in. Is it the hand? Ah. Let me in. Yay! This is my favourite hand cream and I ran out and Stephen got it for me just like, it was literally days after I found out I was pregnant. You got me this as a little special present.
Gift.
And I've used it so much that it ran out already and I can now use it again.
I didn't know you'd run out.
Yeah, I have, because I used it constantly and my hands get so dry and this is like the one that helps. It's so good.
Oh, wonderful.
So thank
Who's
you.
it by?
Fickert. Oh, thank you so much, my
You're
darling. Yay! Okay, right, shall we go to bed? Because I am exhausted.
It's a good job the bedroom's not messy. Okay, cool. Good night.
Night, night. See you tomorrow, guys.